Hey everybody, this is Eric for Little Whitehouse, and I am thankful today that I have 17 years in. In fact, it may be a little over 17 years, I don't know. I believe it was 17 years ago, back in September. I was watching a Michigan Notre Dame game. I used to be a big, huge football fan, and I was watching a game there and drinking a few beers, having a few shots, and that was the last time I drank. I went to the doctor a few days later and he said, "Eric, if you don't quit drinking, your liver is in the state where it's going to go into some bad stuff. You need to stop now." And I did, and I haven't ever regretted it. About a year before that, I quit smoking, and there's only been one time since then that I can remember that I've been in enough pain that I've had to have something to help me with the pain. So I'm thankful that God has given me a new life out of that. I'm thankful that I can look on the bright side of things most of the time. You know, yesterday's video, which you'll see yesterday, I was a little bit down. But we're going to keep on keeping on as best we can. I'm going to finish this 30 days for sure. And I'm going to be thankful. I'm going to continue to be thankful for as many things as I can. Because the Bible says, "In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God for you in Jesus Christ." So I'm thankful. I'm thankful for sobriety today. It has led me down a totally new path. I used to think happiness was sitting on a bar stool and being a little bit past 3 sheets to the wind. But that's not the case. Being happy is what you make it. Being happy is a choice. And whoever's out there, whoever I'm talking to, being thankful is the key to being happy. Happiness is not found in a pill. It's not found at the bottom of a bottle. It's not found in having marijuana legalized. It's found in being thankful for what you have and proclaiming that you're blessed even when things aren't going necessarily your way. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you're thankful for today. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We love to have new people. Anyway, that's my new set. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.